I'm going to show you how to put a profile picture on your YouTube channel. So we just started this YouTube channel today. Look, we got a short of a little squirrel and 22 views already in the first like 3 hours. That's pretty cool. Yeah, by the way, that's a great way to start getting views. Instead of doing the landscape form of the videos, do like a short. Anyway, you'll get more views usually. So you would think that like customize or making a profile picture, you could click on this, but if you click on this, you're just going to view your channel on YouTube, and you don't want to do that right now. But I mean, it'll give you an idea of like what's published on your channel. And then you would think it would be under settings, right? But if you click settings, then you get into all this kind of like technical stuff. It's actually under customization. So if you're here in YouTube Studio, scroll down to customization, click on that, and then go up to here to branding. And then it's the first thing, picture. So just pick a picture to upload. It's supposed to be a PNG or a GIF. So it's supposed to be less than 4 megabytes. So let's see. I'm going to go ahead and hit upload. You go to your file manager. I think I have a picture of a squirrel here. I do. I have a screenshot, and this is a JPG file, a JPEG. Well, let's see if this works. All right, so I'm going to center it. I don't know, right about, do I want the claw, do I do like, no, I think like that. So you can do that. You can also like zoom in on a particular area. So if we wanted to get like really close to the face, we do that, but that's kind of creepy. So I think I'm going to do it like right about here. So let's see, hit done. And then that's what's going to appear here instead of this S. And like the S is a placeholder basically. And when you see a YouTube channel like this, you can tell that somebody hasn't put a lot of thought into it. And that's not the way you want to look. You want to look at something that's going to intrigue people, maybe to click on it, hit publish, and then you're done, and then this should update. And you should, yep, you see it here and you see it there. So realize also that this is very small in the browser. And so, hey, what happened? Here, let's refresh that. It's very small in the browser. So when people look at that, try to make sure it's something that's intelligible. Like I can see that that's a squirrel, but maybe if I weren't looking at this before, I wouldn't be able to. So maybe I'm going to change that later, but at least put something in there for now so that it's not just the letter. And the letter corresponds to the very first letter in the name of your channel. So if you wrote the Stoic Squirrel, it would come up as a T for the. So there's probably a lot of channels with T. Anyway, I hope you have a great day. If you have any questions about this, maybe I'll just continue to do this if there's enough views and if there's enough interest. I'll just show you step by step how I customize this channel from scratch. Have a great day. See you on the next one. Smashing like helps me, you know that. And subscribe, because that way we'll grow this channel together. And yours and ours can grow at the same rate. How about that? Take care.